Hi guys, Nikki here. We are learning a lot and had so much fun here on the Nikki Show. So let's look at all my and Robby's best experiments. Hey guys, Nikki here, and welcome to the very first episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff, even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go! This show is all about doing awesome science experiments and building cool stuff. And we do it all right here in my bedroom science lab. Nothing like science in PJs, am I right?
Am I late?
Robby, we already discussed this. If you want to be my sidekick, you gotta come on time.
But it wasn't my fault. My alarm didn't go off, and then I couldn't find my socks, and then I had to make myself some blueberry pancakes for breakfast.
Blueberry pancakes? Well, if you got any leftovers, we can call it even. You can come late any day. All right, guys, today's experiment is...
Clowns!
No, not clowns, Robby. Clouds.
What? I totally thought you told me clowns.
April's around the corner, you guys. And we all know that April showers bring May flowers.
Especially when Raina Gloom's in town.
Exactly. You'll be seeing a lot of rain clouds in the sky real soon. So get ready to make some of your own super cool clouds. Always be sure to wear your safety gear and have an adult nearby. You know, in case stuff goes wrong.
Whoa!
Whoops. Okay, here's what you'll need. 1 large empty bottle, rubbing alcohol, a push pin, 1 pencil, a small piece of clay, and 1 ball pump. First, pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol into the bottle, close the cap, and shake it up real good so that it gets all over the inside. Shake, 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 shake it. Then, take off the cap and use the push pin to punch a hole right in the middle. You can use your pencil to make the hole a wee bit bigger. This is where you're gonna insert the ball pump, just like this. Squish your clay around the pump in the cap to make sure it's super tight. Then pop the cap back on the bottle, and all you gotta do next is start pumping.
I'm on it.
Alrighty, looks like we pumped enough air pressure in there. I cheered you on. So anyway, next you have to pop off the cap so that all the air shoots out of the bottle and turns into a cloud.
Cool.
Robby, wait! You have to open the cap. Slowly.
Oops. Well, we got a cloud all right.
Nikki! There's gray smoke coming out of your room. I hope you're not making that lava again. It burned right through your carpet last time, Missy.
Just getting ready for bed, Mom. I gotta go before I get grounded. Hey guys, Nikki here, and welcome back to the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff, even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go!
And don't forget about Robby, your trusty sidekick. Speaking of forgetting, I may or may not have left those crayons you asked for at home.
Robby!
Not to worry, I'll be back before you can say crayon.
Crayon!
Wait, don't start yet.
Well, I guess we better get started in the meantime. Today's experiment is lipstick, made out of, wait for it, candy! That's right! The perfect present to make your mom super happy this Mother's Day. Here's what you'll need. Gummy candy, non-toxic crayons, coconut oil, glitter, lipstick container, pan, and a small bowl. Okay, so I know Mother's Day presents are supposed to be a surprise, but I kinda need my mom for this to make sure we stay safe. Follow me. First things first, you gotta fill the pan with a little water and put your little bowl inside. Then you're gonna kick that fire into gear. This is where moms come in handy.
Yes, dear, I'm coming. Be careful now. I'll keep an eye on you from over here.
All the best scientists work with their moms. Okay, next up, toss a bit of coconut oil into the bowl, along with your favorite gummy candies, and your favorite color of crayon.
There! Told you I'd be back before you could say crayon. Now all we need is some glitter. Well, I always said you were a shining star. Anyway, assuming you get the glitter in the bowl, just let everything melt into an ooey gooey liquid, like this. Then pour it right into your empty lipstick container and...
Voila! You have your handmade lipstick. We better try it out before we give it to Mom. How does it look?
It definitely blends with your skin.
Uh-oh. I think I was supposed to let it cool first. Oops.
Well, there you have it. The perfect science experiment Mother's Day present.
Just make sure to let it cool in the fridge before you wrap it. Hey guys, Nikki here, and welcome to another episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff. Even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go! It's almost Father's Day, you guys. So today, we are going to show you how to make cake pops. You know, for your pops.
Now that is my kind of Father's Day.
Remember, science is behind all baking, so we'll show you all the cool science stuff that's going on while you whip up your yummy desserts. First things first, the grocery list. For the cake, you'll need 1 box of red velvet cake mix, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, and 3 eggs. For the pops, you'll need 1 can of cream cheese frosting, paper lollipop sticks, blue candy melts, or whichever color is your dad's favorite, and a styrofoam block for the pops to dry in. Make sure you've got an adult nearby, just in case anything goes wrong. Okay, now let's get started. First up, the cake.
Chef Robby at your service. You're gonna want to combine the cake mix, water, oil, and eggs into a bowl and mix them up real well. Mix, mix,
Robby,
mix,
stop.
mix,
Not
mix,
that
mix,
well. I should have included detergent in the ingredients list. Anyway, all of these ingredients will make an awesome cake because of, can you guess? Science! That's right, the flour from the mix has all these proteins that stick together and make sure the cake doesn't get too hard. Then there's the baking powder and baking soda from the cake mix. They make bubbles in the batter, which makes it grow bigger and bigger. And don't forget the eggs. Eggs have special properties to keep all those ingredients together.
Kinda like glue, but yummier.
Exactly, but it gets even yummier. Next, you're gonna toss in the cream cheese frosting so that the batter gets extra gooey.
And then it's rolling time.
Robs, have you been tasting the batter?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Once you stick the lollipop sticks in these guys, just let them cool in the freezer for a bit.
And now we relax.
We got candy melting to do. Mom, need help with the fire stuff?
Okay, sweetheart. So long as we're not melting fish like last time. Stunk up the whole house.
Okay guys, all you gotta do now is toss those blue candy melts in a pot, heat them up, and voila, melted candy.
Ouch!
Did I mention it's hot melted candy? Heat is what breaks down solids into liquids. It's basic science.
I could use something cold. That's better. Huh?
Mind bringing the rest of them over here?
This is so much better than finger dunking.
When you're all done, just stick the pops into your styrofoam board to dry, and there you have it, the most delicious Father's Day present ever.
You forgot the most important part, the taste test. Just right.
Hey guys, Nikki here, and it's time for another episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff, even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
It's not my birthday.
Well, I know that. I'm singing to the Cool School fans.
Robby, hello.
What? Can't celebrate all our fans' birthdays without cake.
Well, speaking of birthdays, today we're gonna learn how to blow up the perfect birthday balloons using Mentos and Coca-Cola. How cool! Here's what you'll need. 1 liter of Coca-Cola, Mentos, balloons, colorful strings, and paper towels to keep things clean. First things first, use your fingers to stretch out the opening of that balloon just enough to pop a Mento inside. Perfect. You can take your finger out now, Robby.
No. I kind of like it in there.
It's stuck, isn't it? Oh, let me help ya.
Oops.
Moving right along. Once the Mento is inside, you're gonna snap the balloon tightly over the top of the soda bottle, like this. Then, push the Mento down the balloon and into the liquid Coca-Cola. There it goes!
Whoa, how'd that happen?
Well, you see, Coke is filled with all these gas bubbles. You know, carbon dioxide. When the Mento drops into the Coke, it makes all those gas bubbles separate from the liquid in the soda and go poof! Straight up and out of the bottle. It takes the liquid up with it, and that's why your balloon gets filled with Coke. But you can just empty it all out afterwards, and the gas will stay inside.
There, you can have your balloon and drink it too.
Try that again and again until you have as many balloons as you need for that special birthday.
Ta-da! Like these.
It's the perfect birthday science experiment. Now don't forget to head to coolschool.com and follow us on social at CoolSchoolShow. Hey guys, Nikki here, and it's time for another episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff, even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go! It's almost 8 o'clock, you guys, and you know what that means, right?
Bedtime, Nikki.
Oh yeah. Okay, Mom, but first, slime time. What are you doing?
Well, it is mime time. I'm just pulling out my best mime chops.
Not mime time, Robby. Slime time.
Oh, right.
But not just any slime. Unicorn slime.
Ooh, ah.
We'll show you how to make it and all the awesome science behind it. But remember, don't put it in a blender and turn it into a unicorn frappuccino. Ahem.
It was one time.
Anyway, here's what you'll need. Blue glitter glue, pink glitter glue, yellow glitter glue, water, borax, bowls, a whisk, and measuring utensils. First things first, toss a half a cup of blue glitter glue into an empty bowl. Then, pour in half a cup of water and mix it all up with your whisk. Now where did I put...
Hey, Nikki, doesn't this thing look like a bowling pin?
Robby, wait!
Strike!
Strike out, you mean? We were supposed to use that to mix the slime, Robby.
Oh, whoops. Hold on. It still works. See? Good as new.
Yeah. Now guys, here are some cool facts. The molecules in the glue are called polymers. They're super long and stretchy, so they'll just slide past each other as Robby mixes. That's what makes the stuff all liquidy and sticky.
I'll say.
Robby!
I just wanted to see what it felt like.
Well, next up, you're gonna mix together about a teaspoon of borax with another half a cup of water and pour it into the glitter water slowly.
Like this?
Perfect. Now, I'll bet you guys are wondering what this stuff does. So I'll tell ya. You see, when borax is mixed with water, it turns into a brand new mixture, so that makes the polymers in the glue stick to each other. That makes sure the liquid glue can't move around too much, so that it turns into the rubbery stuff we call slime. Voila! Now that wasn't so hard, was it?
Smooth as slime.
Since this is a unicorn slime, you're gonna do the same thing with pink and yellow glitter glue, and then mix all three slimes together, like this. And there you have it, unicorn slime. A little science goes a long way, huh? Hey guys, Nikki here, and it's time for another episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff, even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go! Hey, Robs. Robby!
What? I'm here. Wasn't even sleeping. What's up?
Oh, never mind. Well, anyway, I always like to get a few more minutes of reading time after lights out. So today, I'm making a super cool lava lamp to keep right next to my bed.
Ooh, I know this one. Like this. Second grade science fair never gets old.
Not that kind of lava. Here, let me show you. This is what you'll need, guys. A clear plastic bottle, water, vegetable oil, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer. First things first, pour the water about a quarter of the way into your plastic bottle. Next, add the oil until the bottle is almost full.
I think I did it right, but it doesn't look like these two are mixing too well.
Yep, that's because oil is way lighter than water, so it always floats on top without mixing in.
Just like my vegetables at dinner time. Never like getting those too close to the other stuff.
Once the oil and water are separated, you're gonna add 12 drops of food coloring into the bottle. Be sure to pick your favorite colors. The food coloring is heavy just like water, so it's gonna go right past the oil, all the way to the bottom of the bottle.
I don't get it. The colors aren't moving around like they're supposed to.
That's because you need gas, Robs. Not that kind of gas.
Oops, sorry.
To get those bubbles moving in the bottle, break your Alka-Seltzer tablet into a few pieces and drop them in one by one. Wait for it. And voila, your very own lava lamp.
Cool! How'd that happen?
Well, you see, when you drop Alka-Seltzer in water, it forms gas bubbles, which float way up to the top of the bottle and tug the colorful water along with them.
Ooh, and then when the gas escapes, which it likes to do, the colorful water falls back down to the bottom?
Exactly, and that's what makes the colors in your lava lamp keep moving around.
It's like magic.
Or science! Well, there you have it, guys, your very own lava lamp.
Like our creation? Hit like below to let us know. And comment to tell us which colors you're gonna use in your lava lamps.
A special shout out to everyone that suggested we make a lava lamp. What a great idea. Hey guys, Nikki here. And it's time for another episode of the Nikki Show, where we learn and grow and do super cool stuff. Even blow stuff up. The Nikki Show, let's go! Okay guys, well in honor of Halloween, we're gonna play some Mystery Science Experiment. Don't worry, it's not as spooky as it sounds.
We give you hints and you have to guess which experiment we're gonna do.
Are you pumped? That was your first clue, guys.
Speaking of pumped, I'm just gonna go ahead and pump up this balloon while eating this pumpernickel sandwich.
Can you guess? That's right. Today's experiment is a pumpkin. But not just any pumpkin.
An exploding pumpkin!
AKA a pumpkino. Here's what you'll need. 1 small pumpkin, baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, dish soap, and water. First things first, you're gonna wanna get your hands dirty and empty out that pumpkin. Into the trash.
Nothing like really getting into the Halloween spirit.
Next, you're gonna add warm water and a few drops of your favorite food coloring until the pumpkin is about 3/4 of the way full.
I don't get it, it's not exploding.
Patience, Robs.
Sorry, pre-Halloween candy jitters. Science experiments are way harder on a sugar rush.
Well, anyway, now you're gonna add 4 to 5 drops of dish soap and a few tablespoons of baking soda. Finally, pour in 1/4 cup of vinegar and get ready to see your pumpkin explode. Robbie, remember when we talked about waiting till I'm out of the way before we explode our experiments?
Sorry, it just happened so fast.
Of course it did. When vinegar and baking soda mix together, they form carbon dioxide bubbles. The bubbles rise to the tippity top of the pumpkin right away to try and escape.
And that's what makes the pumpkin explode like a volcano.
Exactly, especially when you add the dish soap to make the mixture extra bubbly.
Cool! I'm totally using this experiment to scare away those ghosts and ghouls.
What ghosts?
Ah! Don't come any closer or I'll...
What? You'll explode pumpkinos in my face?
Oh, phew! Scared me for a second.
Happy Halloween!
I'm definitely pumped for this Halloween. It's gonna be sweet.
Hey guys, Nikki here, and it's time for a brand new episode of The Nikki Show. Thanksgiving is around the corner, you guys, and we all know what that means.
Turkey, stuffing, pie. I love pie.
Yep, it's gonna be one turkey-rific Thanksgiving, especially with the help of our friend...
A pilgrim?
Nope, try again.
Science?
You bet! There's really cool science behind all cooking. And to Today, we're gonna show you how to use science to make your own Thanksgiving turkey extra yummy. Might need an adult for some of this.
Hey Nikki, I've got a riddle for you. Who doesn't eat on Thanksgiving?
I don't know.
A turkey, because it's always too stuffed.
Oh, brother. Here's what you'll need. 1 12-pound turkey, 2 gallons of cold water, and 1 cup of table salt. First things first, mix together the salt and water until they're totally dissolved. Soak the turkey inside the salt water, just like a turkey bath. And now we wait.
Okay, how about this one? What do you call a turkey running away?
I don't know, lucky?
Fast food. Get it? Running, so it's fast food.
Okay, what side of the turkey has feathers?
What?
The outside.
Oh, the outside. What's the key to a great Thanksgiving dinner? A turkey.
Oh, yay, it's ready. Now that's gonna be one juicy turkey. Allow me to explain. You see, all of the water from our salt mixture moved inside the turkey through something called osmosis.
I gotta watch how much salt I'm gobbling. I'm really putting on some pounds.
That's when water moves on its own from an area with more water to an area with less water. In other words, it gets soaked up. Just basic science.
It's kind of like when yummy apple turnover moves from outside my belly to inside my belly.
Not exactly. And voila! One extra juicy turkey, cooked to scientific perfection.
I'll say,
Robby, it's not Thanksgiving yet.
I'm just testing to make sure it tastes good for our guests.
Oh well, maybe I better check too. I think we ought to make them another one, just in case it's not good enough.
Good plan. Osmosis sure does taste good.
You got that right. Comment below to let us know how you're using science in the kitchen this Thanksgiving.
And let us know which of your favorite dishes you're #thankful for.
Hit like and subscribe below to catch more episodes of The Nikki Show. See you guys next time. Bye.